In the previous video you must have seen that the diamonds were falling, but over here you can see that there is one more red ball, and if my ball is touching this red ball, the lives are decreasing by 1, right? And if the life becomes 0, my game gonna stop and I will not get my winner screen because I am not able to get more than 5 crystals or diamonds. So let's add this complexity to our game to make it more interesting. For this, I have taken this sprite. Now I have drawn this sprite. So for drawing the sprite on your own, what you will do, you'll click on this cat sprite button, and can you see this brush? It means you can create your own sprites. So click on that, and I just simply took the circle, this one, take the color that you want and just draw that. So this is how I have drawn these red balls. Okay, so I'm not going to use it because I already have the red balls. So I'm deleting this. After this, now I need to generate them again because they are also going to be there in a lot of number. So we will create the clones. So what I have done, I have taken the code of clone from crystals. Like this is the clone one, this is also the clone one. They are starting from the top and they will go down until they reach the bottom. And similarly I'm going to make 20 balls like I have created for crystals. So simply you have to click and drag it, and when it shivers it means it is copied, right? So I have copied this block, I have dropped this as well over here, and then I have also drop this code over here as well. So these all are copied over there. So let's see whether they are copied or not. You can see over here. Now this is same, I have not changed anything. Now this is I have changed because the lives cannot be 0 when you start. It should be like something 5 or 10. So I have set to 5. How to create lives over here? Again, it is in variable. So you just make a variable and then just write over here lives. Click OK, it will be created. Now once you create the lives over here, I have to set it to 5. So for setting it, you can see set diamond to 0. You will drag it over here, but instead of diamonds, what you will take? Lives. And then you can change the number also. Like I have taken 5, you can take 10 or whatever you want to. Then rest is same. Okay, rest is same. Now over here the code is changed just because now in this one crystals the score was incrementing by 1, right? Diamonds are, the score is incrementing, diamonds are incrementing by 1 if they are touching the ball. But in case the bomb, this bomb or red ball is touching the ball, the lives has to decrease. So I have changed that. If this ball is touching the ball, the lives are going to decrease by 1, and then I will delete the ball again, the same. And if the lives become 0, then the game gonna stop. So I have taken this also. Stop all is in control. So this is all what I have done. Then if you want to hide it, I think it's not required. So let's play it again. If I am able to score more than 5 diamonds, so I got my winner screen and everything has stopped. Still I have got 2 lives. Now play again. Let's see if I got 0 life, what will happen in that case. And yes, so everything has stopped. So this is how you can add this complexity and make your game more interesting. So I hope you will like it. So do like, share, comment if you have any problem, and give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe, share, and keep exploring.